Hello everybody! Today I'm gonna make this delicious eggplant food for you. Let's hop into the video. I'm gonna use 4 eggplants, 2 tomatoes, 2 onions and 1 bell pepper for this recipe. First, you have to peel the eggplants like the way I do, and then cut them in the way I do. After we peel and cut all of these eggplants, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon salt and then water. Then you're gonna cut the onions the way I do. And then you have to cut the bell pepper like the way I do in the video. And then you have to peel the tomatoes and then cut it like the way I do. And then we're gonna dehydrate the eggplants we've soaked in water before. And then we're gonna add 50 milliliters of oil and 50 milligrams of butter to the pan. And then we're gonna put the eggplants into the pan and fry it on both sides. And then we're gonna add the onions we cut before into the pan that we put and fried our eggplants. And then we're gonna add 50 grams of butter. And then mix it. After we roast it a little, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of salt and roasting it again. And then we're gonna add the bell pepper we cut before, and then we're gonna roast them together. After it's fully roasted, we're gonna add the tomatoes we've cut before. And then after it's fully cooked, we're gonna add the spices of your choice. And then we add 1 teaspoon of garlic. And we cook them together. And then we're gonna add our fried eggplants and let it cook. As you can see, the delicious food is ready to serve. I'm gonna serve it. You can serve it with any type of green you want. As you can see, our food is ready. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Goodbye.